yeah, I just think it looks great. So I'm gonna basically strip the doors apart, the door cards, and just like that, the car is basically all stripped out. Here is everything ready.
Oh, mate. Mate, you smashed that.
It's stunning. Wow.
On the back as well.